Let's try that again. I'm sorry, every time I switch screens, sometimes my pen doesn't work, so we're going to do this again. So it says Hanan spent 2.5 hours on homework yesterday while Sequoia spent 1 3/8 hours on homework. How much more time did Hanan spend on homework than Sequoia? So how much more tells me I have to subtract. So I have to subtract 2 1/2 minus 1 3/8. So I have to find a common denominator of 2 and 8. So if I go over here, I can go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Here I can go 8, 16, 24, 32, and 40. The only common factor that I have here is 8. So 8 is going to be our common factor. So I multiply. What times 2 is 8? 1, 2, 3, 4. Whatever I do to the denominator, I have to do to the numerator. So 1 times 4 is 4. I do the same thing to the bottom. What can I multiply by 8 to get 8? Well, that's 1. So 3 times 1 is 3. And now I subtract. 4/8 minus 3/8. 4/8, 4 minus 3 is 1/8. 2 minus 1 is 1. And what do we want to know? How much more time did he spend on homework? Time was in hours, so our answer is 1 1/8 hours. So don't forget your quiz is tomorrow. Use the tools to help you get ready for the quiz. 1, independent practice and math journal for lessons 1 through 4. 2, you can watch and practice the review several times and keep practicing these every time. And 3, you can go to the McGraw-Hill website and practice the quiz checks for each lesson of 1 through 4. Don't forget those 3 words: practice, practice, practice. And as the old signage says, don't practice until you get it right. Practice until you can't get it wrong.